Hi friends, good morning. I am Saurabh from BIOG, part 1 of Hotel Management and Catering Technology of ASM College Karad. Well friends, the topic is given to us for a group discussion is online education and advantages and disadvantages. Friends, allow me to open the discussion. Personally, I feel the online education is need of time. It has so many advantages as we can learn sitting at home. What do you think, Advait?
Hello friends, this is Advait from the same class. I am agree with Saurav. Yes, we can learn sitting at home. Moreover, in COVID crisis, online education plays an important role in students' life. Even in lockdown situation, education has not stopped. It is just because of the digital technology. We don't know how much time COVID will take, so we have to continue our study without a break, and it's possible only through the online mode of education.
Hello friends, I am Abhishek. You are right, Advait. We have to continue learning without any break. But as far as I can see, there are many students who have less grasping capacity and are unable to learn through online lectures. Similarly, it is very difficult for many senior teachers to conduct online lectures as they are not techno-savvy. In addition, network is not good and stable. It may throw us out anytime. I think online education is facing so many challenges. What do you think, Naina and Ajay?
Yes, Abhishek, I agree with you because all students are not afford online learning because some students are from poor family and they cannot afford a mobile or cell phones for online learning. So that's why I agree with you.
Hello friends, good afternoon all of you. I am Ajay Mani. Thank you giving me an opportunity to talk on this topic. I really don't agree with Abhishek and Advait because there are many critical problems in online education. The first problem is lack of social interaction. It is difficult to have discussion in online education. Student and teacher face-to-face interaction is also limited. And the second problem is technology issue. Many students are faced to technical issue like slow internet connectivity. These are many critical problems in online education due to offline education is better than online education. Thank you.
Hello friend, I am Nikita Kapoor from same class. Let me bring our discussion back on its point. We were talking about online education advantage and disadvantage. I think online learning also require use of smartphone, laptop, continue look at screen and strain student time and other health issues. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Vibhaswani from same class. I hope you all are doing really well. Let me have a word on this. So can I suggest something? Abhishek, as you said that students have less understanding capacity and they don't understand things properly. Of course, there is no doubt that sometimes it happens due to some of the other issue. But there are a lot of apps, educational videos available on internet which try best and easy way to teach student as possible. So I suggest that they should prefer that to clear their concept. Don't you think, Bhagat, it's a good suggestion?
Hi everyone, Bhagat Singh this side. I feel Vibha, you're absolutely correct. Sometimes students don't get what teacher teaches. So there are many more options available on internet. They can go for podcasts, some video lectures available on YouTube, many more information available on internet. So I feel is Vibha, you're absolutely correct here. Thank you.
I have objection on the point of Vibha and Bhagat Singh that though there are many sources of online learning such as YouTube channel, podcast, etc. But there is one point that how can we decide which link is best to understand properly as everyone will go for many links and may get confused by learning through different teachers.
Yeah, Abhishek, you are right. Online education has been facing so many challenges. But do you see any other way to continue our education? I think it's online mode only which can support us to continue our study during lockdown. So there are some challenges. It's our responsibility to overcome the challenges and made online education a pleasurable experience.
Firstly, hi and good morning to everyone. I am listening carefully all of your points and it is right. Online education play a vital role in today's education. But at the other sides, student can suffering from physically or mentally problem like stress, headache or backbone problem. So I have some solution to less their stress or the above problems. First, take a 5 or 10-minute gap after your each session. Second, whenever you have free time, do whatever you like making paintings, reading your favorite books, solving puzzles, and the other things. Third, do yoga, exercise, and meditation. This is good for your health. Fourth, think always positive. I know that there is challenging time for all of us, so take care of yourself, follow the rules and regulations, and keep moving forward. Thank you.
Friends, I think we have to sum up our discussion as time is over. What we have to accept is that every story has two sides, so there are advantages and there are disadvantages too. But what I feel is that we should try to take all the things in a very positive way, whatever the situation it may be. Advait's opinion is correct that we can learn sitting at home without having a break. It only because of online education. Abhishek has also made an important point as it has some challenges. Purva has also put some of the challenges like health issues. However, we have to adjust ourselves for online education as there is no any other way to escape from it due to COVID pandemic. I am grateful to all of you for participating in discussion and expressing yourself in a way. It is really fruitful discussion. Thank you for that. Thank you.